right? But as any couple will have in a relationship, there will always be battle. It's Sassy and Rocky, our beautiful pair of friend with the ball. And today, they will battle it out to see who's the best in the basketball game. But before we start this battle, I'll be dividing you into two groups. I'm the girls will cheer for Sassy, and our girls will be safe. Sassy, Sassy. And for the boys, let's cheer for Rocky. Rocky, Rocky. Okay, we're playing. Here's our set. Go! Here's Rocky on the first ball. Followed by the boy, Sassy. On the right, Rocky. And Sassy, oh, and Sassy. What can you say about that? You guys lose this time. Hold it, we want another race. Oh, we want another race, Junior Mark?
Are you sure about that? Do you want Sassy to lose again?
This time, I guarantee you that Sassy will win.
So, what race do you have in mind?
I'm thinking about the ring race. And what is the ring race? The first bird who can drop 3 rings into the hole the fastest is the winner. That is a ring race. So the ring race it shall be. Remember that boys already have 1 point. So girls, let's show other girls us to it this time. We'll be doing this again, and this time our ring race will set up. Here's Robert's first ring. What can you say about that? Ring race at the same time.
Hey, you guys cheated!
Oh, you cheated? No, we didn't cheat. Sassy used that brain. Oh, so it's true that girls are more intelligent than boys? Oh, well, for Sassy and Rocky, cheating equal and cheating more. Boys are particularly known to be intelligent and perceptive. That's why we continue to enhance their skills and add to get work. Here is Sassy once again, and she will show us how intelligent she is by putting the shape back to its correct line. Just like Sassy, Greenwing the boys from South America, they are known to be the gentle giants of the Parrot family. It is because they are the second largest next to the hyacinth of rocks. They can grow up to 92 centimeters in length and can live up to 8 years old. Scientific name is Arambloroptera. They usually feed on seeds, nuts, salts, and minerals along their flavor bands. And they're very intelligent, right?